Hello, welcome to WordPress Tip of the Week. This is week number 17. In this video, we're going to go over creating a custom footer. Now, just like we did in last week's video, we made a custom header. Creating a custom footer is pretty much exactly the same. So let's get right into it here. Okay, here we are on our dashboard. We're going to go over to our page that we have called Test. Okay, and it's just right now a blank page. So let's go into our cPanel here, File Manager, Public HTML, WP Content, Themes. Okay, and now Storefront Child. Alright, so just as a reminder how it looked last week, let's take a look at the page here. We'll open it up in a new tab. Okay, and we had the header as a yellow header, and then we were echoing out hello world. And that was part of the test template that was in our child theme. Okay, so it had get header test, and then we have some CSS just so that the footer stays at the bottom of the page. And then we have, of course, the echo hello world, and then we're getting the footer. Now it's going to work exactly the same way it does with get header. We're going to create a footer test PHP, and we're going to put test in here, and we'll see what happens. So let's go ahead and do that. Now to do that, we have to grab the footer from the parent theme. So we're going to take footer PHP, and we're going to copy it into our child theme. Okay, now let's go back up to our child theme here. Okay, and there's our footer file. So now what we're going to do is we're going to copy this, and we're going to call it footer-test.php. And this will be the footer for the test page. So let's go ahead and edit it. Okay, so basically here's your normal footer, and you can either remove some of the stuff or keep it. But what we're going to do is we're just going to put in a little bit of CSS here. And what we're going to do is we're going to change the background color to green, and we're going to make the text color white. So I'm going to go ahead and paste it in right here with our style tags. So basically the site footer class, background color is green, and it's important, so it overrides. And then color white, important, so it overrides. And then the closing style tag, of course. Alright, so now we're going to save changes. So before we do it, we have to go into our test template page, and just like for get footer test, we're going to do the same thing. Or I should say for the get header test, we're going to do the same thing for footer. Okay, so now we can save it. Alright, so I haven't refreshed yet, so now let's refresh. This should go green, and then the text should be white. And there you go. Now you're probably wondering why this WooCommerce part is not white. Well, this has to put in a little extra CSS. This, right, as you can see, with the little pointer, this is actually a link. So if we wanted to turn this white, that's absolutely no problem at all. Let's go in, and we have to make a site-footer with an A for a link here, and then we'll call this color white, and we'll make that important as well. This way it overrides. So now we save changes, and now when we refresh, this WooCommerce should be white. And there it is. So that's how you can change a little mini lesson on how you can change a link color as well. Well, I know this was a quick lesson, but as you can see, making a custom footer is a really simple process, and you can do it just in a matter of minutes here. So that wraps up this week's WordPress tip of the week. I invite you to like and subscribe to our channel here. And all new subscribers will be put into an entry for a free WordPress course. So be sure to subscribe and be sure to tell a friend about it. And until next week, take care. Bye.